So in the previous lesson, we looked at how easy it is to pull in a data file into JavaScript and make use of the contents of that data file. And the reason that data files are so useful is because we can really separate out that data from our scripting code and our logic. And then we can apply logic to that data and make use of it within our web pages. And one of the things is that a lot of times we want to link to external files. And really, literally, the process is going to be very similar to what we just did locally, where we just link to our local file. We just need to update that URL. So now we're just going to create a brand new JSON file. So I'm going to go back into this generator, and I'm going to create out entirely brand new JSON file, copy that over, and of course I don't need to minify it. So I'm just going to go to myjson.com, paste that in here, save it, and that's going to give me a URL to a brand new JSON file with a whole bunch of data in it. So now we're going to try to pull this data through into my JavaScript, and it's going to be really easy. I just need to change the source that I'm pulling it through and update it, save it, refresh my page, and we can see that now I'm actually automatically pulling in that content from that URL, and now of course I can make use of it within my JavaScript. So again, just as before, I can make use of any one of these objects that are available for me. So if I want to update that even more, I can add in plus object I. So we just need to be able to identify it, and I could do something like age. And so if I refresh this, I get all of that age information and so on. So I could even go with like eye color and add in any one of these values that's being returned here. So, and also I just wanted to console log out that object again, so the current object that we're accessing, so this, and just to show you that we do still have a lot of additional information here. So we do have our response text, we have response, so essentially they're the same thing, or we could pull out via status, we can check status text, and we really do have a lot of different options here that we can look at in order to make sure that we're actually accessing the file properly. And then we can of course make use of any one of these pieces of object information within our JavaScript as needed.